Today I'm going to be sharing with you my slow cooked sticky barbecued spare ribs recipe. Absolutely delicious. Really good thing about this, folks, is that you can make this in the morning, like this morning, go about your day, go to work, whatever, come home, and when you walk through the door, oh, the smell is going to be utterly delicious. I'm going to be giving you some tips along the way, but first let's go to the overhead so you can see what I'm doing. So you'll see here I've got my slow cooker, and yes, the eagle-eyed amongst you will notice that I've lined it out because this is a sticky little beast and you don't want the mess. Anyway, first thing you're going to do is pop your spare ribs in. These are currently a really lovely Hampshire free range breed. I've got around about 700 grams there. And this feeds 2, so just double up where needs be. So just going to pop that to one side for a moment. So then get a small bowl, and in it I'm going to put 1 garlic clove. So just crush that. Chop 1 onion up. 1.5 tablespoons of either red currant or cranberry jam. Good sprinkling of chili flakes. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, about 1.5 tablespoons of honey, a good glug of Worcester sauce, and about 1.5 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 80 mils of apple juice, salt, and give it a real good stir. Then all you're going to do is just pour this all over the ribs. Just make sure they're all sort of coated with it. So how long do you cook the spare ribs for? Well, that actually is a very good question. It varies, obviously, with the type of make that you've got of slow cooker, the size of it, what batch size you're doing. But I'm going to be doing a bit of an experiment today. I'm going to be doing this one on 4 hours on hot, and then I shall test it, see if I like it. But I have done this before on medium for 6 hours, and I've also done it on low for around 8 to 9 hours. So this is a slight experiment today, but join me next and you'll see how it's gone. And if you would like to subscribe, just hit the bell button and the subscribe button. That way then you'll know where this recipe came from when you want to make it, obviously. And also any future recipe, you will be notified. Plus, I want to say a massive thank you to all my subscribers. Oh, you melt my heart. Thank you for all your comments, suggestions for future recipes, and of course your likes.